Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kyla. I make makeup videos. That's what I do. I work at Sephora. I'm in school. Pretty much just living my best life, you know? So today I am going to film my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. This month there was a couple different variations for different people. Let me see if I can look them up. I know there was one thing that I was really glad that I didn't get. I guess we'll talk about them as we go, I guess. If you're wondering, my background is changed. It's white. It was also white in the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I have changed rooms. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it makes me look darker than normal. I don't know. I'll have to play around, edit, and see how it goes. So as we get to things that were like a this or that, we will talk about them. So let's just jump in. So the first thing is a this or that. I got the Pharmacy Clean Beauty Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, which is really good because I'm pretty much out of the Purity bottle that I have. I have 2 backup bottles, but I want to try something new because I've been using Purity forever. Like 3 years forever. So yeah. This is a cleanser that it's super gentle. I think it has honey in it. Yes, it has honey and hyaluronic acid. It's going to wash away the oils and impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. You just wet your face, rub this in, and then rinse it morning and night. This is not the full size. The full size at Sephora is like 5 ounces, I think, and it's 28. This one is a 3.4 for 22, I believe, is what they said on the sheet. Let me pull out the sheet because we should have said that first. The theme this month is Afterglow, and yes, it says this is 22. Yeah. It has a lot of naturally derived ingredients like coconut, which is kind of concerning because I know isn't it coconut like comedogenic, or maybe it's coconut oil. Sugar, amino acids, and turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So I'm pretty excited for this. One of the other options for this was the Coco Cabana cream, which I'm not the biggest fan of the smell of. And then apparently a Tula Insta Bright mask, metallic mask that looked like a duo in the picture. So I'm pretty glad that I got this one though, because I really wanted to try this. We have this at work, but it's like a pump and it comes out as a foam. So that's weird that this one isn't like that. Anyways, the next thing. And I'm just going to put these on my face kind of as we go so that we just have that kind of video. And this is the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. She looks like this. This says that it is retailed for $18. It's supposed to create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as its adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawless wear. This did not have another option, so I'm pretty sure everyone got this. I'm gonna put it in my pores. It looks like it's more wet than like the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm just gonna push this in like my super porous areas. It feels kind of greasy though. That's kind of concerning. I wonder what's in it. Like I said, it does feel kind of greasy, but we are just going to roll with the punches. I'm going to put a foundation on top and see how it kind of does. My Maybelline Superstay. It's a little light for me, but we'll make it work. So far my pores look relatively filled. The ones on my cheeks here always still look pretty much there, and they still do. But the ones on my nose looks pretty smooth, which is not typical if I don't wear a pore filling primer. So my pores look pretty good, actually. I'm kind of surprised. It didn't like pill up like some of my primers have been doing lately. So that's pretty remarkable, you know. Just make sure it's all smooth and blended. It looks pretty good and smooth. Like my chin looks really smooth. You can still see a little bit of the redness, but it looks really smooth nonetheless. Under here feels a little sticky still. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some bronzer and blush that's not really gonna be affected by the primer, and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, my base is done. It's looking a little bit dry, but other than that, like, my pores look really good. I put some eyeshadow on. I used the ColourPop Cute AF. I'm pretty sure this is the Yes Please palette. Yeah, it says Cute AF on the front, but it's a Yes Please palette. It looks like this. I really like it, so yeah. And now we're going to move on to the other 3 products that are in the box. So we already did the cleanser and the primer, and we're just gonna move on. The next thing is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmer Swan Glow Up Highlighter. This is one of those where you could have gotten multiple products. Of course, I got this. There are 3 options. Swimmering Swan Sparkling Sass, Swimmering Swan Glimmers of BS, Swimmering Swan Glow Up, or you could have got a bronzer in Son of a Bee Mannequin or Bronzed Bee Sunkissed Snitch. I almost would have preferred a bronzer because this highlighter looks really deep for me, but I have this theory that if you got the bronzer, you got the Coco Cabana cream, and I really did not want that cream, so I'm glad I got the highlighter for that sense because I wanted to try the cleanser. So we're going to put this on, and just because we got this in the box, I decided for my blush today that I was going to use the Pretty Vulgar blush that we had got in a Boxycharm before, and I actually really like it. It's more pink than I would normally do. I usually do like a coral or like an orangey type blush, but I really like this. It looks really pigmented. So let's just swatch this first. I have to rub over it a lot. I like rubbed over it like 3 times. Looks good on camera. It looks a little bit warm on my hand, and it blends away really easily, so we'll see. Looks really pink on my brush. Can you guys see it? I don't see a lot of it. It's like a super like hard pressed highlighter. Okay, we're starting to get there. I'm sure you guys can see it, but like I don't see hardly anything on my face right now. I'm gonna try a different brush. I'm gonna try this Fan Detail brush from Sephora. It's designed for highlighter, and see if we can get something with that because it's a little bit stiffer than the. Oh, that's a little better. Yeah, it's a little bit stiffer than the Morphe brush. Okay, so I definitely see something on this side. That looks really pretty, actually. It's a little bit dark for me, I think. It's probably the darkest I could go without it looking like crazy. And it doesn't look crazy from the front. Like I don't see a shadow like I often do with highlighters that are too dark for me. It definitely picks up the texture that's on my face. But I think it looks pretty good. I think this would be really pretty in the summer. Like the glow it gives is like super nice. And we're just gonna carry on, you know. So yeah, that's not awful. It's retailed for $32. It says it's a velvety smooth highlighter. I think it was a little bit difficult to kind of build at first with certain brushes, so maybe in the future now I know to use the other one. But it looks good though, so I'm not complaining there. It looks a little yellow on my nose. I don't know, it could just be the foundation that I have on. So 3 down, 2 to go. The next product is a mascara. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I didn't say this before, but Boxycharm is $21 a month. So for starters, only one of these products is less than $21. So even if you only like one thing, you're already getting your money's worth. This is worth $24, I believe. Yes. So even if you don't like if you don't support Boxycharm or whatever, like this alone was worth it because this is a super popular mascara. I have some already. It's just phenomenal. We're actually going to put this on today. So it's a nice heavy component. This is the wand. It looks really nice. We're just going to, I didn't curl my lashes, but we're going to put it on. So one coat that looks really nice. They're like pretty fluffy looking. And let's do the other eye. So it's not curling at all, but it still looks pretty good. This is not the waterproof version. There is one. It's in a blue packaging. I got it in gratis this pads go round. Hopefully I put that video up. I hope so. I'm going to put a second coat on and see what we can do. That looks beautiful. That looks so good. I forgot how much I like this mascara. Wow. I really like this. Wow. Okay, so that's a hit for me. It's probably like my favorite product so far. I was really looking forward to that cleanser, but like, I love lashes that look like this. So let's just put it on the bottom. This is probably gonna fail. Okay, not the best for the bottom. A little spidery looking, but it's fine. And it's transferring a bit, but I am really happy to have that. Like, that looks so good. So good. So since I've zoomed you back out, we can talk about the last product in the box. It is from Trace Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. That's what it's called. There were a couple different options for this, I believe. Yes, there's a lot. You could get this. You could get the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color copper foil, which would have been cool because I've never tried those and I love the Nude Sticks lip products. You could get the Grande Cosmetics Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. There are multiple shade options. Or the Grande Cosmetics Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Lust Red. Or you could get the Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick in Power On, the Be Legendary Liquid Metal and Haterade, or Always On Liquid Lipstick in Throwback Jam or Gotta Light. So there was quite a few options this month for that. I'm glad I didn't get the Grande Cosmetics one. The Nude Sticks one would have been cool. Smashbox would have been cool too. But I have a lot of Smashbox, so it's kind of cool to try this. I think I have a Trace lip product, or maybe an eye product. I'm not sure, but we're going to put this on. It's like a square tip. Can you guys see? It's like square. Focus on it. No, like, wow. And then the other end comes with this little primer. So we are going to like play with this and see. So it's, like I said, it's in the shade English Rose. Let's just put the primer on first. That feels weird. I'm sorry if you can hear Landon's videos playing. Like I said, I switched rooms for my makeup and now we're right near each other. Not my favorite color. I feel like it would look more pigmented if the primer wasn't there. The primer seems to be like shearing it out. Sorry, my camera died and Landon came in to ask me if he could have my donut. So that was kind of hard to get a straight lip line. This is definitely not my favorite color on me. I don't like it very much with the primer. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand and see how it looks without the primer. It's still kind of that weird finish. Like, why is it not more pigmented? It's not very pigmented at all and I don't get it. It's like a sheer kind of, I don't know, not my forte, but overall this box was like bomb. Mine has a 3 and a heart on the bottom corner. I wonder if it's like version 3. I don't know. I need to get this stuff off my hand though before I get it all over the place. I am pretty pleased with this month's Boxycharm. Like, I haven't had a good month like this in a while. I feel like that primer looks really good, like on my nose and whatnot. That highlighter looks really good. I keep like catching it. I'm excited for that cleanser, and that mascara is like, I mean, you could see it's bomb. So the lip product could have lived without. However, let's tally up the goodies and see what our total is. So you all should know that Boxycharm is $21 per month. Where's my calculator? I have to view it in the App Store. Okay, so the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is $24, and then the Pretty Vulgar highlighter is $32. I wouldn't pay $32 for that, but it's still pretty. The Touch and Soul primer is $18. Oops. The Pharmacy cleanser is $22, and the Trace Stick lip crayon is $25. So for an overall value of $121, pretty freaking good. It's a $100 like difference in what you pay versus what you get, plus tax. They charge tax now. They didn't used to charge tax. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with this month's box. Like, I got some massive goodies. Like, hello, these are super good. Like, I'm pretty excited, to be honest. I think I'll actually like try to use this highlighter more. It has like a different undertone than I'm used to. Like, usually my highlighters are pretty white based. This one's not. I like it though. So I'm pretty pleased. This is full size. This is full size. This is full size. And this is full size. So we're doing pretty good. I'm excited. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm this month? Did you get the bronzer or one of the different lips or eye thing? Or did you get the Coco Cabana cream? Like, let me know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out the door. Hit me up on Instagram. It's at Making My Smile. We are climbing. We are almost at 8K. You know, we're getting there. So, yeah, that's really all I have for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. That's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!